Hey guys, welcome back to Curiosity Data Analytics. In today's video, we're going to dive into building an audio to insights app using Meta's generative AI. All right, so first we're going to build an import audio feature. We're using a radio button to let the user choose between uploading an audio file or recording their own audio, like so here. So depending on the selection, we will display a file uploader or an audio input. In addition to that, to make sure if we want to make sure the audio has correctly been uploaded, we can add the audio component to create an audio player. So if I try to actually add a simple audio file, let's see how it looks like. So the audio has been uploaded, and as you can see, there's an audio player here. Now, again, if you wanted to actually record an audio, you can do so with the other selection, which allows you to record an audio here. Next, to be able to analyze the audio, we obviously need to convert it to text. So this is what we're going to see in this section. So here we will need the pydub library, the bytes.io module, as well as the speech recognition library. So before doing anything, we're going to put a condition to verify if an audio has been uploaded. If so, we then wrap the audio file within an audio segment object. Then, since the speech recognition library doesn't natively support MP3 files, we first gotta convert it to a WAV file here, and then use the speech recognition functions to actually convert it to an audio to text. So here I have used the Google Web Speech API, but there are a bunch of other APIs that are available and that you can use. So the LLM model we're going to be using today is Meta's Llama 3.2 model with 1 billion parameters. Now, obviously, this is not the most optimal model there is, but I feel like it does the job for this simple task that we have at hand today. So I'm actually importing the model that I have previously downloaded locally on my desktop through the OLLaMA library in the LangChain community. Then to write a prompt, it is easily done by simply calling the invoked method to from the LLM object. So here I have made a simple widget here to actually show you how it looks like. So for instance, if I write, "Hi, who are you?" it will output a response which tells us that they are a llama model. Moving forward, so the next sections are actually detailing 5 features that are using the LLM model that we've just seen to provide insights on the imported audio. So the first feature that we have here, this one is actually not using the LLM model. This is the direct output of the speech recognition task that we've done earlier. So we're not using any models here, like I said. So I've created a button, like you can see here. Once that is pressed, it will output the full text from the audio. Now I'm not gonna try it here. Let's see at the end with the full app. Second feature that we have here is the main topics feature. So this feature is focusing on summarizing the audio into 3 key points. So in the LLM model that we've created, we're actually creating a prompt saying the following. So identify the 3 main topics from the following text, and we're specifying the model to be very quick and concise. And then we're inputting here the audio in the text format. And again, we have a button here that we're gonna see how it looks like in the full app. Third feature that we have is the translate feature. Again, same logic. We have the LLM model here that we ask to translate in a language the following text, and here we have the text input. Now here, instead of a button, we use the select box component, and we have limited the options to French, Spanish, and German, as you can see here. As for the search feature, this allows the user to basically execute a control F on the audio so to see if a specific word is present in the text or in the audio that was imported. So here again, we're asking the model from the following text, which we provide the text, output the sentences where the following words are mentioned. And here we have put a text input to allow the users to input a text. Last feature that we have is the question feature. So this allows us to basically ask anything about the audio that was uploaded. So this is basically creating any prompt that you want to ask the model. So here we have the from the following text, ask or answer the following question. And then we have a text input to allow the user to ask the question. All right, so now that we have explored all the components of the app, let's see how it looks like altogether. So first of all, let's upload a simple audio. So here I have some audio about some news broadcast of Hurricane Milton. So as you can see here, it's loading the data. And when it's done, we have all the 5 features that we have created. Now, just to be sure that we have correctly uploaded the data or the audio, let's just hear a few seconds of the audio.
Hurricane Milton's strength and magnitude have left veteran meteorologists in shock.
All right, so we have our audio. So first feature that we have is basically translating or speech recognizing the audio to a text format. So let's see how it looks like. Now we can actually test out if the speech to text has done a good job. So let's see a few seconds.
Hurricane Milton's strength and magnitude have left veteran meteorologists in shock.
Just an incredible, incredible, incredible hurricane. It has dropped.
All right, so it seems to have done a pretty good job to translate to a text. Now, if we wanted to actually summarize this text into 3 main topics, that's what we have created as a second feature. So let's try it out. So the summarization has been completed. So it's talking about Hurricane Milton's strength and magnitude, the impact of climate change, and the urgency to address climate change, which is basically what's being said in the audio. Now, third feature that we have is the translation feature. So if we wanted to translate the whole text to, let's say, French, let's see how it does. So it has translated the text to French. Now, if we want to try the fourth feature is the search feature. So for instance, if we want to know if the audio has the climate word, well, it seems that the audio has once the word climate. Last but not least, we could try the question feature. So if we say, for instance, what natural event is talked about, well, we have multiple answers. So Hurricane Milton, Hurricane Andrew, Irma, and Maria, and typhoons. So this is basically a good answer to what is talked about in the audio. So all in all, this is basically the type of information that you can extract using a Gen AI model. Now, obviously, there can be many other ways to analyze or create other features, but this is only to showcase a few quick examples that can be implemented easily. So that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.